Good morning. In the last class, we have studied about the zero of a polynomial. How to find a zero of a polynomial. When they had given you the zero of the polynomial, then verify that whether that number is zero or not. So these are things that we have studied. Today we are going to learn about the division of polynomials by long division. So division of polynomials is needed for the 10th standard also. Okay, listen carefully then. So we'll do the first problem. Step by step I will explain. You have to remember it carefully and do it your own. Okay, we'll start. First question. Divide 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1. This is the question. Actually, when you are dividing a number by another number, suppose it is 15 divided by 2, right? So 15 we will write inside and then 2 here it will be. And this is called what? Dividend. Here what will you say? Divisor. Then when you divide, what all things you are getting? Now we will divide first, then we will think about it. So 2 7s are 14. Then subtract, you will get the answer 1. Clear? So here what we will call? Here it is quotient and here it is remainder. So thus these 4 things anyway, it is also in the polynomials. So same thing you have to do, we will find out now. First thing, in the main column, you have to draw like this and dividend you have to write. This is the dividend and divisor is x plus 1. Okay. So these are things you have to remember. This is the dividend, this is the divisor. Okay. We will start the first step. First step is in your working column, you have to start. Take the first term of the dividend. First term of the dividend. This is the first term 3x square. First term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor. So dividend divided by first term of the divisor. Clear? So the first step is division. How will you divide? First term of the divisor divided by dividend divided by the first term of the divisor. So if you want steps means you have to write it here. Steps. No need to write for the each one. Only the first one we will write. Okay. So the first step is first term of dividend divided by first term of divisor. Okay. So here what will you get then? 3x square by x. You have to remember about the laws of exponents. What you can remember? A raised to 3 is there anyway. 3 you can write. A raised to m divided by a raised to n. Means what? A raised to m minus n. Here it is 1 is there, right? It is already in your mind. There is the exponent 1 is there. If not given means it is, there will be 1. Okay. Then you have to remember the law. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Right? So what will you get then? 3 here itself, number itself. If something here, suppose here 6 is there means we can cancel. Here the only 1 is there, that we cannot go cancel. It is 3 by 1 is 3 itself. So it is x raised to 2 minus 1, x raised to 1. X raised to 1 is what? X itself. Okay. That 3x, where you have to write? That you have to write on the first term of the quotient. Clear? Now the next step. second step, quotient into divisor. Each term of the divisor or first term of the quotient will be better. First term of the quotient into divisor means fully you have to multiply. Okay, into, clear? Okay, first term of the quotient means 3x. 3x into x. What will you get? 3x into x. 3x into x. What will I get? 3x square. If you have doubt means you have to do it in the working column and find out. Okay. So it is 3x into x, 3x square. Always remember that first term will be the same always. Okay. So then what is the next step then? Full divisor you have to multiply. 3x into plus 1. Plus is there means plus itself. Here also it is plus. Plus into plus, plus. Then 1 into 3x, 3x. Okay. Now next step. Third step. Subtraction. Subtraction. Subtraction means what? What is the rule? It is take the additive inverse of the second and add. Subtraction means additive inverse second and add. So what you have to do is just put additive inverse here. Plus 3x square means it is minus 3x square. Plus 3x minus 3x. Now add 3x square plus 3x square. Here it is in between, plus is there. 3x square plus, now in the bracket sign, that is the sign for these two. Here bracket is negative, so it will be negative 3x square. Here also negative 3x. Don't consider this. Okay, what we have in the bracket, it will be the sign of the terms. Okay. So 3x square plus negative 3x square cancelled. Balance x minus 3x. What did I get? X minus 3x. Here add inverse and add x plus negative 3x. What will I get then? Here 1 is there. Okay. 1 minus negative 3 means 1 plus negative 3. What will I get? 1 plus negative 3. Different sign addition. Subtract and put the bigger one sign. Subtract 3 minus 1 2. Bigger one sign is negative. Right? Then write it as x. Negative 2x. Then minus 1. Clear? Next. What is the next step? Same thing you have to follow. So here it is negative 2x divided by x. So it is the same procedure. Okay. So negative 2x by x. First term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor. Negative 2x by x. X and x. Okay. Otherwise just cancel. Otherwise here also if you want to cancel means how will you cancel? Here it is 3 into x square means x into x. Divided by x. X and x cancel. Balance will be 3x. Otherwise just you can find out using laws of exponents. So x and here cancel, you get the answer negative 2. Or negative 2x by x can be written as negative 2 a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. That means x raised to 1 minus 1. What will I get? Negative 2 x raised to 0. Negative 2 into x raised to 0. X raised to 0 is 1. Means a raised to 0 is equal to 1. So 2 into 1, you will get the answer negative 2. Same thing you got it here. Clear? Okay. So that you have to write on the top. Then So this will be the first term divided by dividend, first term of the divisor will be the first term of the quotient. Okay. Then negative 2 into x, negative 2x, negative 2 into positive 1, negative into positive, negative 2 into 1 is 2. So negative. Clear? If you have doubt means once again you have to do. Okay. Here just look, negative 2x divided by x, negative 2x divided by x, x and x cancel, or just take the additive that loss of exponents. So it will be x raised to 1, here also x raised to 1, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Then 1 minus 1 0, you will get a raised to 0 is equal to 1. So you will get the answer negative 2, that you are right on the top. So division completed now, you got the quotient. Clear? What is the next step then? After getting here, what you should do? You have to take the additive inverse and add. Additive inverse you have to write in the bracket. Here it is plus. Okay, minus becomes plus, here negative becomes plus. Okay, what is the next step then? You want to additive inverse and add. Just add negative 2x plus 2x. It will be cancelled. Then what is the next step then? Negative 1 plus 2. Negative 1 plus 2. Addition with different sign. Then subtract and put the bigger one sign. Subtract 2 minus 1 and then bigger one sign is 1. Next step, just can you find out anything? No, we can't do anything. We stopped. Why? Because nothing else is here to take it down. Nothing is there to take it down. So we can stop. What all things we did? First step, take the first term of the dividend. This is the dividend. Where is the divisor? This is the divisor. Then here it is quotient. Here it is remainder. Clear? After that, now what you should do first? First term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor will be the first quotient. Okay. So first term of the dividend 3x square divided by first term of the divisor x. So 3x square divided by x. It is 3 divided by 1, 3, x square divided by x, it is x raised to 2 minus 1. It is low is the a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So it is x square minus 1. It is 3 into 2 minus 1 is 1. That is x raised to 1. This one is not needed because already we know that. Right? We already understood that. When something raised to 1 is there, means no need to write there for 1. That alphabet or variable is needed, it will be enough. 3x you got, that 3x you have to write as the first term of the quotient. So first term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor, you got the first term of the quotient. After the second step, first term of the quotient into the full divisor. First term of the quotient into full divisor. So 3x into x, what will I get? 3x square, 3 into 1, 3. X into x, x square, 3x square. Then plus 1 into 3x, 3x. Take the additive inverse and add. Second step it will be additive inverse and add. So take the additive inverse. Here 3x square is positive. So put it as negative. Then here it is positive, plus is there, put it as negative. You have to use in brackets. After additive inverse and add addition. So here it is, when you add 3x square plus negative 3x square, you will get 0. Instead of writing 0, I just cut it. Okay. Then next, x minus 3x. X minus means subtraction. Subtraction, how will you do? Take the additive inverse and add. So it will be x minus 3x, it will be x plus addition, and 3x becomes positive 3x becomes negative 3x. Difference and addition, subtract and put the bigger one sign. Bigger one is negative 3. So 3 minus 1, 2 you got, and 3 got negative sign, put it negative 2 there. Clear? So that negative 2x you got. Here it will be negative 2x. After subtraction every time, what you are doing? Suppose here it is 153 is there, right? 153. Then what you have to do? Take this 3 down. After subtraction, you have to write this 3 down. Clear? Same thing. Here also, after subtraction, take the next number down. 1 digit. Clear? Means that term. Only one term you have to take it down. Here it is digit will be because only numbers are there. Here it is we call it as term. So that term down. Here it is minus 1. So minus 1 you have to take it down. After that, the same steps. Take the first term of the dividend divided by the first term of the divisor. First term of the dividend, it is negative 2x divided by first term of the divisor, it is x. X and x cancel, you will get the answer as negative 2. That answer you have to write on the top as the quotient. So you have to remember only one thing. What? Dividend divided by divisor, you will get the answer quotient. Clear? Okay. Then you got here negative 2. After getting negative 2 here, you have to multiply. Negative 2 into x, negative 2x. Negative 2 into positive 1, negative 2. Then after multiplication, subtraction, additive inverse and add. Take the additive inverse of negative 2x, positive 2x, negative 2 become positive. Then add. Here it is negative 2x plus positive 2x, it will be cancelling. Negative 1 plus positive 2, negative 1 plus positive 2. Here it is positive is there. Okay. Difference and addition, subtract and put the bigger one sign. Subtract 2 minus 1, you will get the answer 1. Bigger one sign, positive. So that 1 is here. Clear? Now you got remainder 1 and the quotient 3x minus 2. When you divide, the divisor and the dividend they will give you. And we have to find out the quotient and the remainder. Clear? So the quotient is, or we'll write it like this, 3x square plus x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 equals, quotient always, that is the answer always, 3x minus 2 and remainder is equal to 1. This is the way you have to write. Hope you understood. This is the second question. 3x raised to 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. First step, you have to draw like this and write inside. This is the dividend. 3x raised to 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. And the divisor is x minus 1. One more thing you have to remember always. If any degree is, that is the main thing you have to remember. If any degree is missing means, you have to write it as the 0 there. Main thing, any term is missing. Means any term with the degree is missing means you have to write there as 0. 0 into that degree of that variable. That I will show you now. And one more thing you have to remember, make it in order first. Order means in a descending order it should be, not ascending order, descending order. Okay. Now look, in the dividend you have to look, 4, 3, 2 is there? No. So what you have to do then? There you have to write 0, you have to use positive, okay. always plus 0 you can write there. So, plus 0 into x square. Now, look, 4, 3, 2 now. Then after that you can write minus 3x, then minus 1. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It should be in descending order. It is compulsory, and if any term missing means write it as 0 into that variable raised to which degree it is missing, that degree you have to write. Hope it is clear. Again I am telling, if any term is missing there means, how will you find out the missing term? Find out the order, descending order 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If that order is the first, in the first question there was nothing missing. In the second question one term is missing. There what you have to do? There you have to put 0 into which term is that, which variable is missing, write that variable and then exponent also. Clear? We will start now. First step, first term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor. So, it is 3x raised to 4 divided by x equals 3 by 1 is 3. X raised to 4 divided by x, it is a raised to m divided by a raised to n equals a raised to m minus and 4 minus 1. You will get the answer 3. Otherwise, how will you find out? 3 into x into x into x into x. X raised to 4 means 4 times divided by x. X and x cancelled. Balance 3 is there. 1, 2, 3. X raised to 3. Okay. So, here on the question, after first step is dividing the dividend by the divisor, you will get the quotient, first term of the quotient 3x cube. Now, multiply after division, multiplication. Multiplying the quotient into full divisor. You have to check the dividend as well as the divisor also whether they are in order. You have to check the, not only the dividend and the divisor in order. Here also descending order you have to find out. Here 1, here it is 0. So, that also it is not missing. Again there also anything missing means you have to write there with 0. Okay. Now, multiply 3x cube into x, it is 3x raised to x cube into x, x raised to, for first term always it will be the same. Next one, minus 1 into 3x cube, minus 3 into 1 is 3x cube. Then add it to inverse and add. Here it is cancelled. Negative 4 plus 3. Negative 4 plus 3. What will you get? Negative 1. Addition with different sign. Subtract and put the bigger one sign. Subtract 4 minus 3, you will get 1. Bigger one sign, negative sign. So, negative 4 plus 3, you got negative 1. Negative 1 and then write the variable. After subtraction, what you are going to do? Always take the next term down. Here it is plus 0x square. Negative 1 into x cube plus 0x square. Only one time you have to take it down. Here same procedure. First term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor. 1 negative 1 x cube divided by x. Here it is negative 1 x cube divided by x. It is x square. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus and 3 minus 1. It is 2. So, it will be negative 1x square. After division, multiplication. Multiply with the negative 1x square with, don't leave negative sign. This one got negative here also. So, negative 1x square into x minus 1. Negative 1 into x square into x. Negative 1x square into x. It will be negative 1 into 1, negative 1, x square into x, it will be x cube. Here it is negative 1 x cube. Again, one more term is there, negative 1x square into negative 1. Negative 1x square into negative 1. Negative 1 into 1, negative 1 into negative 1, positive 1 to x square. It is 1x square. Here it is plus 1x square. Next step, first division, second multiplication, third subtraction. Subtraction means take the additive inverse and add. Here it is negative becomes positive. Here it is negative. Can you just cancel? Yes. Then here it will be 0 minus 1x cube negative. Many of you leave this negative sign, then it will be wrong. After that, now subtraction completed means take the next digit down. Minus 3x. After taking down, same thing procedure you have to start. Negative 1x square divided by x. Here it is negative 1. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. 2 minus 1, it is 1. It will be negative 1x. Then multiply negative 1x into x. It is negative 1x square. Negative into negative, positive. 1x into 1, 1x. Now here it is positive, here it is negative. Cancelling. Then negative 3x minus 1x, you will get the answer negative 4x. Again subtraction completed, take the next term down, minus 1. What you have to do then? Negative 4x divided by negative 4x, first term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor, x and x cancelled. Balance it is negative 4. Multiply after division, multiplication. Negative 4 into x, negative 4x. Negative 4 into plus 1, negative 4 into negative 1. So, it will be positive 4. Take the additive inverse and add. Cancelled. It is negative 1, negative 4. When you add, you will get the answer negative 5. So, once again I will repeat. First step, first term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor. That means division occur. And before that, main thing you have to remember what? You have to find out whether they are in degrees are in descending order. If anything is missing, means what you should do? Write there equal 0 into that variable raised to which degree missing, that degree you have to write. Same thing I am repeating not only in the dividend, you have to do it in the divisor also. Clear? And then you have to start the first term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor. 3x raised to 4 divided by x. You will get the answer 3x cube. That you write it on the top. That will be the first term of the quotient. So, division completed. Then multiplication you have to start. 3x cube into x minus 1. 3x cube into x, it is 3x raised to 4. Then minus 3x cube. Then last step. So, division completed, multiplication completed, now subtraction. Subtraction means it is additive inverse of the second and add. Here it is take the additive inverse. Here plus positive 3x raised to 4 becomes negative 3x raised to 4. Here minus 3x cube becomes positive 3x cube. Write the additive inverse in the bracket. Now add 3x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 4 cancelled. negative 4x cube plus 3x cube. Negative 4 plus 3. It is negative 4 plus 3 is addition with a different sign. What do you have to do then? Subtract and put the bigger one sign. Subtract 4 minus 3, bigger sign is negative. So, it will be negative 1. So, write the negative 1 here and then x cube. After subtraction, take the next term down. Here 0x square is there, 0x square is there. What do you have to do next is just divide. Same procedure you have to start. First term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor. 1x cube divided by x, you will get the answer. Here it is negative 1x cube. Negative 1x cube divided by x is equal to negative 1x square. You should write on the top as a quotient. Then take only that number, that term only you have to take and multiply. Don't touch the previous numbers. Already we did the multiplication. So, here it is negative 1x square into x. It is negative 1 x cube, negative 1x square into negative 1 plus 1x raised to, here it is 1 into x square, it is 1x square. After multiplication, subtraction, take the additive inverse and add. Here it is positive, here it is negative. Here it will be cancelled. 0 minus 1, it is minus 1 x square. Then write the next term down, only one term. Okay, here 0 x square we completed, now negative 3x. Again take the division start. First term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor. Negative 1x square divided by x, you will get negative 1x right on the top. That term into this term, full divisor. Negative 1x into x, it is negative 1x square. Negative 1x into negative 1 plus 1x. Then multiplication completed means subtraction, take the additive inverse and add. Take the additive inverse, first here negative 1x square got negative sign positive, here plus got minus. Here 1x, negative 1x square plus positive 1x square, it will be cancelled. Then negative 3x minus 1x, it is negative 3 plus negative 1. You will get the answer negative 4x. Then minus 1, again taking down. Negative 4x divided by x. X and x cancelled and it will be negative 4 will be there. Again you have to multiply. Negative 4 into x, negative 4x. Negative 4 into negative 1, positive 4. Then multiplication completed. Subtraction, take the additive inverse and add. Take the additive inverse, it is negative 4x plus 4x. Here plus 4x minus 4. And here negative 1 plus negative 4, you will get the answer negative 5. Clear? The thing you have to remember always, if anything missing means, any term missing means, write there as 0 into that variable raised to the degree which is missing. Here for the dividend and divisor also. Then only you will get the correct answer, otherwise you are not writing means you won't get the correct answer. Okay, we will do the third one now. This is the third question. X square plus 1 divided by x plus 1. When you look to the question itself, find out anything is missing. Here degree 2 is there and here x raised to 0 is there. That means degree of 1 is missing. Then you have to start. Now when you write here, you have to write like this. X square plus 0x plus 1. Now look, 2, 1, 0. Clear? Then here, look, 1, 0. Now problem it is, the degrees are same. You can write it itself, okay. Start now. Our first step, division. First term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor. X square by x. What is x square by x? It is a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. X raised to 1 you will get. That means x raised to 1 is x. That you are right on the quotient. Division completed now. Next one, multiplication. Multiply x into x, x square, plus 1 into x, plus 1x. Then multiplication completed means subtraction. I take the additive inverse and the second means second step. Okay. Then here it is cancelled. 0x minus 1x. 0x minus 1. When you doubt means you can write in the working column and find out. Here it is 0 means nothing is there. So it will be negative 1x. After that, take the next term down. Negative 1x plus 1. Again, division start. Division of the first term divided by divisor. Negative 1x divided by x. X and x cancelled. So negative 1 you will get. Right on the top. Start now. Multiplication negative 1 into x, negative 1x. Negative into negative, negative into positive, negative 1 into 1, 1. Take that inverse. Here it is cancelled. 1 plus 1, it is 2. Clear? What do you write then? X square plus 1 divided by x plus 1 equals x minus 1. And then remainder equals 2. Clear? This is the fourth question. Just check what is the first step you have to remember. Check whether they are in descending order and then anything is missing. Here 3, 2, 1, 0. Dividend is in order. What are here? 1, 0. That also in order. Then you have to draw here x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. First term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor. Okay. X cube divided by x. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. 3 minus 1. So it will be 2. Or otherwise we have dot means what you can do? X cube means x into x divided by x. Cancel. You will get the answer x square. Same thing you will get. Okay. Right on the top. That means it will be the quotient. After division, multiplication. Multiply x square with full divisor. X square into x, it is x cube plus 1 into x square plus 1x square. Here opposite sign you have to take. Then cancel. 3x square minus 1x square. That means 3 minus 1, it is 2x square plus 3x. What is next step then? Subtraction completed means you have to take the one term down. After that, divide again. 2x square divided by x. That means 2 into x square divided by x. X square divided by x, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. 2x, 2 minus 1 is 1, 2x. Right on the top, plus 2x. Now, multiply 2x into 2x, it will be 2x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 2x. Cancelled. Here 3x minus 2x, x. Then write the next term plus 1. Then again x divided by x. What will I get x divided by x? Equals 1. You have to write plus 1. Then plus 1 into x plus 1. 1 into x, x. Plus 1 into 1, 1. Take that inverse. Cancelled here also. Plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. 0 you will get. Clear? Then what do you write now? X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 equals x square plus 2x plus 1 and remainder is equal to 0. Hope you understood. Okay, we will do the fifth question then. Now this is the fifth question. What is the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1 by 2? Means you have to divide with this x minus 1 by 2 and you have to do it carefully because here 1 by 2 comes, means fraction comes. So we have to do it with fraction, minus, addition, everything with the fraction itself. Okay. So when you are doing, you have to do it properly. I will start now. Okay. After starting, what you have to do? Pause the video. Try to do it your own. Same steps. Then after that, after completing your answer, just check with the video. Clear? X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 by 2. First step, x cube by x, it is x cube by x, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. That means x raised to m 2 minus 1, it is 2. 3 minus 1, sorry, it is 3 minus 1, you will get the answer 2. Write on the quotient. After division, multiplication. X square into x, it is x cube. X square into minus 1 by 2, it is minus 1 by 2 x square. Then next step, subtraction, add it inverse. X cube and x cube cancelled. 3x square plus 1 by 2 x square, how will you do? Take 3 and 1 by 2, it is both are positive. That means 3 plus 1 by 2. How will you do this one? 7th standard portion. Just cross multiply. 2 into 3, 6 plus 1. And write the denominator, same denominator. You will get the answer 7 by 2. Write 7 by 2 here. 7 by 2 x square. What you have to do? When a whole number and a fraction comes, means just multiply the denominator and the whole number. 3 into 2, 6 plus 1. Same thing you have to write. The whole divided by denominator 2. So 7 by 2 you got. Next step, write the next term down. Plus 3x. Again start. 7 by 2 x square. First term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor divided by x. 7 by 2 into x square divided by x. X raised a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. 7 by 2 into x. Where you are right? On the top. Sign, just look, it is positive. So plus 7 by 2 x. Next step, multiplication. 7 by 2 x into x. 7 by 2 x square. Then minus into plus, minus. 7 by 2 into 1 by 2 into x. So x will be there anyway. Then 7 by 2 into 1 by 2. Negative 1 by 2. Okay. Here it is negative sign is that you always have to remember. 7 by 2 into negative 1 by 2, you will get the answer negative 7 by 4. Here it is 7 by 4. Okay. If you are not do it properly, means your answer will be wrong. Then again add the inverse and add. Here it is cancelled. Here 3 plus 7 by, here x will be there itself. 3 plus 7 by 4. Again whole number and a fraction. Now denominator should be multiplied with the numerators. 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 7 divided by 4. It is 19 by 4. Here it is 19 by 4. Both are positive. Next term down, here till 3x we did, so plus 1. Again 19 by 4x divided by what? What do you have to do? The first term of the divisor. 19 by 4x divided by x. What do you have to do then? 19 by 4, it is 19 by 4 itself, right? It is plus. Then x divided by x, it is 1. If you have odd means, you can write like this. X into 1 by x. Take the reciprocal and multiply. Fractions rule, division. So here it is numerator and numerator cancelled. 19 by 4 you will get. Then 19 by 4x minus 19 by 4 into 1 by 2. 19 by 4 means positive 19 by 4 into negative 1 by 2 equals numerator and numerator divided by denominator into denominator. It is negative 19 by 8. Here it is, take the additive inverse, cancelled. 1 plus 19 by 8. What will you get? 1 plus 19 by 8. Again 8 plus 19. Cross multiply 8 into 1 8 plus 19 divided by 8. What is 8 plus 19? 19 plus 9 is 28. So it will be 27 by 8. You will get the denominator as, and the sign is positive. And the quotient. So here you are to write. Remainder they asked. Okay, that also you are to write. X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 by 2 equals x cube plus 7 by 2x plus 19 by 4 and remainder is equal to 27 by 8. Clear? Now in the first problem itself you will think that, oh, it's very difficult. No, it is not difficult, and it is the base for the 10th standard polynomials lesson. Learn it properly, and when you are doing, after doing the 5th problem also, just do it in your rough book. All the questions write and then try to do it your own. Whenever you are getting practicing, then only it will be easier for you. Clear? Okay, I will give the homework. Thank you very much.